Morning, everyone. Believe my screen is visible to everyone, and the voice is also clear enough. Market is opening pretty flat, both in Nifty and Banknifty. No aggressive opening in the market. Good morning. Yes, good morning. Believe my voice is uh, visible to everyone, and my screen and voice both are clear enough. Okay. Let's see a flattish opening in the market. There is no aggressive open. Bank Nifty, not much aggressive price behavior. So price is opening inside yesterday's range, wide range candle formation on Bank Nifty and on Nifty. Let's see, let's understand what happened, what is the price behavior and how the prices are reacting. Okay. Bank Nifty is a flattish opening market. First few minutes price is just trying to aggressively give an up move, shooting up aggressively with free opens. Let's see what happens, how the price is getting reacted, and in real how the things work out. Okay. So it's a wait and watch initial market behavior. With we need to understand what is the stock specific approach. Also, have a small look on the stock specific approach because index trying to shoot up on the first few ticks of the market. See, I believe my voice and screen both are clear enough. Just make sure, or just confirmation. Just type yes in the chat box. Possible that I can have a clear idea कि आपका voice and screen both are very clear enough. Okay. Ram suggests we'll wait initial few minutes because we just practice opening or just first candle ka accuracy approve is just an attraction given to the retail traders go and take any such aggressive trades. Okay. हिसाब से we'll just first understand कि असली में what is the price behavior and then planning. Okay. Also almost banking stocks are trying to shoot up. Banking stocks थोड़ा सा shoot up कर रहा है इनिशियल का प्राइस बिहेवियर में, तो उसके हिसाब से थोड़ा सा वेट करके ही प्लान करना पड़ेगा ट्रेड्स बिकॉज निफ्टी trading inside yesterday's range. Okay, clearly inside yesterday's range. Bank Nifty थोड़ा सा रेंज से बाहर जा रहा है. Let's understand stock specific approach. Parallelly, meanwhile, make sure to click on the like button if you have not clicked on the like. Let's understand stock specific approach. Initially, almost all the heavyweight stocks, the first candle is a wide range candle formation. If you're checking IT stocks, the scenario is same, wide range candle formation being developed on almost maximum heavyweight stocks. Let's first understand what is the price behavior which is gonna come into the picture. उसके बाद we will be reacting. Definitely don't be in an urgent to execute any trades, but that will lead you to get trapped very easily. इस हिसाब से थोड़ा सा वेट करके ही करना फिलहाल के लिए. करंट प्राइस बिहेवियर के लिए सही रहेगा. Okay. Obviously, any questions, queries you have, you can ask your question in the chat box. One by one question address करके. Ram said candles are trying to move up. Nothing to worry. Just you have to stay relaxed in few minutes. Overreact, not much required in the current stage of it. Because it is a wide range candle formation on almost heavyweight stocks in the broader markets, stocks, auto stocks, every almost all the stocks are forming an wide range वाला candle. Aggressive बिल्कुल भी नहीं. थोड़ा सा price को समझ के, then better to execute the trades. This is the point we have to be not in an urgent mode. Even stock specific markets are flat, will be aggressive auction. Yes, good morning, Anand sir. Good morning, Kishore sir. Let's understand what is the price behavior because Nifty just first candle is a wide range candle. उसके अलावा other than that, there is no major price behavior. It is visible in the bank Nifty and also definitely nothing to be in urgent and to take an aggressive mini trades. Yes, it's an yes, Ishwar sir. Very good morning. Even the last week we did two live trading sessions because one day was holiday. Both the day we have ended up in profitable note only on the option trades. Let's see today what happens. From now the live sessions will be 3 days in a week, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday morning, not 5 days in a week, only 3 days in a week. Okay. Initially let's understand what is the price. So as of now I'll be adding Bajaj Auto my watch list. Okay. Nifty and Bank Nifty as of now nothing much aggressive price behavior. Nifty prices uh, trying to trade inside yesterday's range. This first candle is wide range candle formation which has been developed here. It's just telling us key it is just trying to attract more retail traders. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा retail traders को attract करने की कोशिश है. Clearly visible on the charts on Nifty and on the Bank Nifty. Traders, make sure to click on the like button if you have not clicked on the like button of this live market. Okay. Few banking stocks, yes, Aram se trying to move up. Let's see what's happening. Axis Bank, ICICI Bank slowly trying to move up, supporting, giving a support to the Bank Nifty. और उसके अलावा निफ्टी स्टॉक्स आईटी स्टॉक्स आर नॉट मच इनटू द मोमेंटम जैसे आईटी स्टॉक्स जस्ट फर्स्ट कैंडल में is trying to form a kind of a wide range candle formation. Okay. Also, I'll be adding Adani Enterprises my watch list for the initial few of price peak. Adani Enterprises, just to remind you, Adani Enterprises is sitting around 50 guy. Stock is around say tagging 52 week I level. Okay, what happens? Other than that, Bajaj Finance is flat, no aggressive option. PFC flat, there is higher level pressure which is trying to come. के अलावा JSW Steel and stocks are trying to shoot up, so it's kind of a minor support to the Nifty trying to come from the metal stocks. Okay, Bank Nifty is clearly trying to struggle here and trying to come back to the VWAP. So all Nifty and Bank Nifty both prices are back to VWAP. Obviously, on the Nifty, definitely there is no plan for any such bullish aggressive trading for sure. Okay, here as of now, few limited banking stocks are trying to move up. I'll be also focusing ICICI Bank in the watch list because ICICI Bank is a stock which is trying to push the price towards upside. But Bank Nifty ले जाने में one stock which is more predominantly dominating the back to the VWAP. Definitely there is and price जैसे inside trading inside yesterday's range. Prasanna Serious, good morning, good morning. Inside yesterday's range, what we need to do, nothing to be in an urgent, but only thing Nifty price is staying below, above VWAP, Bank Nifty trying to stay above VWAP. Give some time in understanding what is the real price behavior possible on the broader market. Okay. So far, there is no aggressive plan on taking any trades because we need to understand how the sellers are reacting. Sellers कैसे react कर रहे हैं in general. We need to understand that. के पहले aggressively react करना is of no use. There is a clear cut pressure from the auto stocks dragging the Nifty price towards slightly on the downside. The questions on stock specific, index specific, you can ask your questions in the chat box. As of now, this is a silent market which has to be wait and trade wala scenario market. No aggression to go jump on it trades. ऐसा market नहीं है फिलहाल के लिए. Understand? In terms of volume, there is decent volume which is on Nifty and on Bank Nifty happening. This is of money that does auto is also fat. Okay. So here it's very important on the Bajaj Auto. From here, if price is trying to reverse back up because multiple attempt price is not clearly crossing this zone. If price is trying to reject and reverse back and close above VWAP, that will make me and take a bullish trade on this because looking at candle colors, retailers will be pumping in for an bearish trade just by looking at the candle colors. Bajaj Auto, I'll be having in my watch list. Bajaj Auto को 4000 call option I'll be adding on my watch list. Super sir is telling happy Teachers Day, sir. Yes, thank you much. Okay. Auto stocks at Bajaj Auto I'll be adding 4000 ka call options on my watch list. Let's see, very important how the candles are closing here. That will be very important. Also, parallelly, Adani Enterprises, I'm adding 3400 ka call option on my watch list on Adani. Strike prices, I'm adding on Adani Enterprises 3400 ka call option And on Bajaj Auto 4,000 call option starting on Monday. What happens? The prices are reacting. Obviously, Bajaj Adani Enterprises aram se trading at the 50 wala high. Nothing much problem in it. Whereas Bank Nifty, which is again slowly trying to move up, if that is on the upside. Bajaj Auto, the close will give an more additional police. Because of this initial first wala wide range candle on Bank Nifty, automatically if we are aggressive on bullish side, our stop loss becomes very big. इस हिसाब से we can't be in an urgent mode to execute trades on the X. Happening on Bajaj Auto, like not close above Viva, Ani, it, gold, up. Bank Nifty higher level sellers zones are there. उसके हिसाब से यहाँ से aggressively bullish trade after this first wide range वाला candle, it's not much advisable because the S definitely will become more bigger and more wider. Questions if you have, you can ask your questions in the chat box. But फिलहाल के लिए the risk is not much favoring, the risk becomes higher, bigger, not much advisable. Market अभी खुला है, जाके risk लेना, it's I don't much kind of a comfortable scenario which can play out. Okay. देखते हैं, कोई बिल्कुल अर्जेंट नहीं है. Understand what is happening, but react करेंगे. Because I have shown I have shown in the past live session, if you are waiting and trading on the correct opportunity, market will always rewards. And both bar live trades, I have shown you with the live trades, I've shown you practically. It's obvious, nothing to be in an urgent, calm, relaxed state of mind. Taking the trades is way far better than over complicating yourself. Okay. So far, two options strike price in my watch list. Adani Enterprises 3,400 का call option is watch list, and Bajaj Auto 4,000 का call option my watch list. Bank Nifty aggressively going on to the trade at this current location. Reward is not much favorable, so I'll be waiting and initiating the nothing to be urgent state until price is trading above 39,780. I'll be not even for any bearish trades on Bank. Repeat, until price is trading above 13 wala levels, I'll be not much thinking to plan any bearish trades. Mark those levels also. 30. Yes. Okay. Until price is trading above this, not disturb much on this for any side trade. Let's see Adani Enterprises, how the prices are reacting at higher level at 52 week wala high. Let's understand what's the probability. Here, Bajaj Auto is struggling to close above the VWAP. Traders make sure to Adani Enterprises 3400 ka call option I'm adding in my watch list. Yes, traders, make sure to click on the like button if you have not clicked on the like button of this live stream. Banking stocks फिलहाल के लिए थोड़ा सा silent. Only ICICI Bank is trying to move up, but on the reverse note, IndusInd Bank slowly trying to drop down. Price drop down हो रहा है IndusInd हिसाब से थोड़ा सा देखते हैं कि अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस हाउ दिस trend zone price is crossing the zone in what aggression चीज को थोड़ा सा समझेंगे कि for the candle to close with a clear close above 3409 or 10 I'll be adding 3400 call option of Adani and my cost is not closing above it, not closing above the trend zone, so we think not be in an urgent to execute. There will be Adani and not got a clear close above this trend zone wala level. I believe my voice is very clear enough, loud and clear to everyone. If not, do let me know in the chat box. Okay, fantastic. आराम से wait and execute will be better scenario. वैसे भी बैंक निफ्टी the risk side becomes bigger. Risk slightly high on bank nifty. We are planning to any aggressive wala trades. The risk becomes slight higher. Money to slowly move up, but let's see when to cross me. Yeah, I see they have not taken the trade. Those was not coming in. देखते हैं trying to trade above previous day wala high. So how strong the price is trading above previous day's high will be very important on both Nifty and Bank Nifty, especially for Bank Nifty. Prices above 39,780. There's no point in thinking for any kind of bearish trades on the Bank Nifty. Definitely higher level seller zones are there in Bank Nifty. This morning wide range wala candle. Better let the price come down, trap some traders, and then let it move up. That will be a better option. Chasing the market here, the stop loss becomes more wider and more bigger. बड़ी stop loss लेके aggressively trade लेने वाला market नहीं. Market just opened after 2 days of holiday ना. Let it settle down because of being aggressive. It will not give us any spots. Just because of going jumping aggressively taking any trade, this kind of market, nothing we can tell it will support us in a better way. what's happening on Bajaj Auto struggling. Money wait because here the price has not closed above the trend zone. This reason I'm not aggressively taking any trades. In terms of Nifty, right away moving up like this, I'm not much interested to take any bullish trade. Why? Because the risk side becomes bigger. Yes, becomes bigger with higher level Nifty. There is sellers zones are there. There is possible to come into the sellers who have consolidated and move the price down. How they are reacting, and this is what the previous data I will be very important for the Nifty's is yeah. This is one of the main reason nothing much in an urgent to execute any trades by jumping into the price level. Definitely by looking at this first green color candle on on Bank Nifty, sellers will be more interested to jump into trades, but here I'm not much interested to aggressive on the Bank Nifty because as obvious risk to reward is not favorable. The banking stocks, Kotak Bank is trying to drag down aggressive. Kotak Bank is drag down. Understand what is happening on the broader banking stocks. KC Bank is flat, Kotak Bank is trying to drag down. The perspective of Nifty, Bajaj Auto is clearly struggling on the Bajaj. So, okay, so much attempt made from the buyers, the price back above the VWAP, but no, buyers here are not much comfortably coming in pushing price towards upside on Bajaj. देखते हैं क्या कुछ प्राइस है. We are not got to close above the trend zone. That is the one reason not executed any trades. The price is trying to move up, no problem. The flattish trading Bank Nifty definitely higher level sellers zone are there in the Bank Nifty. We could be not in an urgent mode, don't be in an urgent mode to execute any trades. Okay. Traders, those who have still not subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, and those who have still not clicked on the like button, support the live stream by just clicking on the like button of this live stream. Yes, good morning, Lakshmi Narayan sir. And Nifty trying to come back to Viva Aram se until price above 39,780. We need to check how the bulls are reacting, how the buyers are reacting in the Bank Nifty, because one thing is clear, higher level sector zones are there. Okay, this is trying to reject from the VWAP on the and Nifty. What's happening? There is a sticky price trying to the previous days high with higher levels. Selling zones are there, sellers are there, both on Nifty and on Bank Nifty. Any higher level price failure that will trigger the price aggressively come down, trigger stop losses of all the retail traders who are just looking at candle colors and becoming more aggressive to execute trades. Any questions? If you have, you can ask your question आराम से on the chat box. फिलहाल के लिए stock specific approach much aggressive which is Kotak Bank is आराम से trying to track down from the higher levels. Bank is feeling the pressure. The Bank Nifty slowly back to the gap. Along with the Kotak Bank, IndusInd Bank is also supporting and dragging the Nifty's price towards downside. Definitely, there is if you are checking the IT stocks, seeing the pressure. TCS after the first wide range well candle, there is no aggressive momentum of stocks. IT stocks, especially not much supporting. Bank Nifty is already back to the VWAP. Fantastic. Repeat again the same scenario. Don't be aggressive. Taking that this kind of market. It is not much a normal market. It's more of a trapping market. Remember that. Down the graph. User is asking about JSW. JSW stock which has already moved up. Morning the stocks aggressively moved. Not chasing the price is not advisable. User is asking, sir, teach us trend line to buy or sell for bank. Sir, I personally don't even use trend lines. So how can I teach you, sir? I personally don't use trend lines and all. Okay, how could I teach you? That is on the bank Nifty higher level trying to come. Nifty is back below the previous wala high. This is the main reason I'm again and again telling you this is not a normal market. It is more of a trapping market. Don't get trapped. Ramsey will wait and understand what is happening on the price and then reacting will be the best option. Okay. They're slowly prices moving down means slowly they are trapping those retail traders who are looking at race or big bullish candle formation, jumping and taking bullish trade. They are feeling the heat, feeling the pressure. Okay. Aram say don't be in an aggressive mode. Just look at the banking stocks. Axis Bank back to VWAP. Kotak Bank is already trying to trade near the morning low. IndusInd Bank, same scenario. Here again, prices trying to get a rejection from this 34, 39,780 level. Add quickly few strike prices of Bank Nifty also. I'll be adding Bank Nifty 39,600 ka call option. Weekly expiry on my watch list. Okay. I repeat, I'll be adding Bank Nifty 3900 call option on my watch list. Okay. See how the first of all we have to wait. I'll be waiting for this candle to close. Nothing to be in an urgent mode. Okay. 39,600 the call option. Somewhere trading around 437.35 or a level. Okay, 39,600 call option. I'll be executing my trades above 452 levels. 452 levels. I'll be executing my trades on the 39,600 call option. Above 452 levels. Reach 452. The trade. Let's see how the price goes on. Okay. SL will be 385 levels on the options. Very important is how this candle closes. That will be very important. Candle is not clearly closing on the higher levels, then I have to rethink on this trade. Till then, nothing to much worry on it. Maruti, what's up? Maruti, Maruti is strong up. And Bank Nifty the candle out. That will be very important. What is happening on the banking stocks? Bank be flat. The bank to support Bank Nifty. Maruti as of now definitely is not chasing, not much comfortable to plan any bullish trade. Maruti, to be honest, because higher levels there is a pressure from us who is also here. There can come in, this can come. I've said not to be into much urgent stage. Bank Nifty, how this candle closing that will be very important. Not good. Better to stay out of this trade of the call option. Then will accordingly to react. Okay, traders, make sure to click on the like button if you have not clicked on the like button of this live stream. Happening on the IT stocks. Holy I'm back towards right. I'm standing important on the bank happening on any specific. Maruti definitely not aggressive. Any obvious. Nani, but but there is an issue in the chart plotting of the on Kotak Bank. Yes, Kotak Bank is come back to the Viva Bank, trading below Viva, but that is in Bank of back to the Viva. Maruti definitely not chasing the price, obviously. Okay, Maruti higher level selling pressure. Yes, so definitely not chasing on the Maruti for sure. And flat auto stocks are pretty flat. When Bajaj Auto is just in a tight range of fight being developed the Bajaj Auto equation. Yeah, we can stocks also at price behavior. Let's see. Let's have a look at on the Tech Mahindra. One stock which is stronger, slight stronger on the stocks is Tech Mahindra. Have a look at the Tech Mahindra stock. Candles are very, very crucial for the entire stock. And China guys, right? Let's see for only narrow range candle. Yes, we have to wait for the way. Rest trying to up. Tech Mahindra, as of now, I'll be having 1060 the call option my watch list of the tech man. Pick a call option. We can see how the scans are closed. But will active again. Process is slowly trying to pick up, but Mahindra is in one. Bajaj Auto is in price behavior. Other than that, there's nothing in terms of the price movement. Questions we can post in the chat box. Try to address the questions one by one. As of now, in market, the reaction is happening and practice चाल बैंक में कोई खड़ा है. There is a slight premium decay on the bank Nifty options. Okay, Anand sir, one question is, can you please repeat call option strike price of Tech Mahindra? 1060 ka call option I will be adding in my watch list on Tech Mahindra. 1060 ka call option I'll be adding on my watch list on Tech Mahindra. Okay. Here Bank Nifty, Asian Bank trying to come back to VWAP. ICICI Bank is bad. Axis Bank is not allowing the price to move towards upside on Bank Nifty. Kotak Bank is slowly trying to support. Let's see. But in terms of Axis Bank is trying to come down, Kotak Bank is trying to come. Matlab, the Bank Nifty is being purely managed by one heavyweight stocks moving up and one heavyweight stocks trying to move down. So something a clear cut of management of the index obviously visible. Let's see who wins the game. Kotak Bank is trying to up. Bank Nifty is clearly struggling. 39,600 का call option somewhere trading around triple 446 445 वाला levels. Kotak Bank, let's see how this Kotak Bank higher level there is a pressure. So better I'll be once coming out of this options. Okay, somewhere trading around 440 442 ka levels. 46 it is trading now. Okay, once around the cost levels, pretty much momentum. What's happening on Kotak here? Go. Okay, as of now, once on this 39,600 ka call option, I'll be coming out at cost. Price is trading around the at cost as of now. Once I'll come out and we will rethink on this because the index, especially banking index, is clearly being managed. One heavyweight stocks moving up, and other heavyweight stock is trying to move down. No point in getting trapped in this index management. Okay, he's saying staying on the sideline as of now, not jumping on any aggressiveness because index is being purely managed. We're checking Kotak Bank, which is trying to move up. Okay, trying to move up. Can you see prices above VWAP trying to move up? Similarly, just check Axis Bank का price behavior, clearly trying to move down. तो कहीं ना कहीं इंडेक्स को थोड़ा सा प्योर मैनेज किया जा रहा है. वन स्टॉक मूविंग अप और वन स्टॉक मूविंग डाउन, मतलब हमको इस ट्रैप में फंसना नहीं है. डोंट फॉल अंडर दिस ट्रैप. दिस इज द रीजन आई. How to understand trap managing? Can you see this one stock heavyweight is trying to move down, other heavyweight is trying to move up, and with the bank nifty trying to from this point to break the side just 20-30 points, but it is struggling a lot with option premium ka DK obviously there is a huge option premium DK is obviously visible here on the bank nifty. The weight kind of an approach, there is no point in jumping on this trade. We'll have a look at on the Tech Mahindra, see what is the price behavior on the Tech Mahindra. Tex is being purely getting managed here. No point in getting trapped inside this management. With higher level sellers zones are there clearly. Let's have a quick look at the Tech Mahindra once. See how this current candle is closing. That will be very important in terms of Tech Mahindra because here the price is consolidating clearly above the VWAP. This current candle, how it is being closed, that will be more important for the Tech Mahindra and for the IT stocks. The speed in which it can drift towards upside. Yes, those who are still not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button, and those who have still not joined the Telegram channel, can join the Telegram channel. The link is available in the description and also in the live chat box. Okay. Nothing much on the index in perspective of index, it's been managed. So that is the reason I'm focused here on the IT stocks to understand the price behavior. Okay. On Bank Nifty, just trying to look at this Bank Nifty, take the eye, but the options are not moving much. There is a clear cut open option BK which is visible on the banking options, Bank Nifty options. के हिसाब से बिल्कुल भी अर्जन नहीं करेंगे सर. नो प्रॉब्लम, लेट गो. अर्जन करने से यहाँ से आई डोंट थिंक विल बेटर रिकॉर्ड. ऑप्शन बीके ह्यूज इन नंबर. See Tech Mahindra, how this candle close, that will be very important on the Tech Mahindra. हिसाब से will be planning to react on the Tech Mahindra stock. not interested in moving up. Backing up. Yeah, Anand sir has booked 1,000 rupees profit in Bank Nifty. Great. Great, great. Anand. तो मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग का स्कैल्पिंग तो हो चुका है. There is any stock. Maruti flat है, Bajaj Auto. I'm close to, but the close is not good. Price is again coming back to be back. It's obviously not a good sign of. You are still not clicked on the like button, make sure to click on the like button and not subscribe this channel. Make sure to subscribe this. Those various thoughts are trying to block. As auto can still prices roam around overlap here. Much attempt from the buyers to put price up. The buyers are not even handle above VWAP on Bajaj Auto. Price is not closing above VWAP means forget about the up move. Up move always. Let's see what happens. And Nifty now this morning I becomes an important level. जब तक इसके ऊपर है a calm reaction because higher level sellers are there. If price coming below this level मतलब sellers can come into the picture. That will become a disadvantage for the bulls, for the buyers. Okay, answer. Slowly, slowly trying to move up to overlapping. Calm market aggression पंप अप नहीं हो रहा है. आप निफ्टी में चेक करोगे विद हायर लेवल सेलर्स प्राइस धीरे 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 ऊपर जाने की कर रहा है. बिल्कुल भी कोई अग्रेशन वाला अपसाइड मूव दिख नहीं रहा है, स्पेशली ऑन द वेरियस स्टॉक्स वेरियस एंगल में अप्रोच रहा है ऑन द डाउन another sector up वाला सिनेरियो रहा है में। फिलहाल भी बजाज ऑटो स्ट्रगल कर रहा है सर, आपके ऊपर कहीं क्वेश्चन मार्क बन रहा है ऑन द ऑटो स्टॉक्स। देखते हैं कहीं ना कहीं अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस बार वापस थोड़ा सा ट्रैक पे लाएंगे बेटर। अदानी एंटरप्राइजेस इज ट्रेडिंग अराउंड द 50 वाला हाई जोन के हिसाब से वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट उस लेवल्स। अदानी कहीं ना कहीं डाउन में स्मॉल डिप ऑन द डाउन साइड, कहीं ना कहीं प्राइसेस बायर्स आर अगेन ट्राइंग टू सेल्फ द प्राइस टुवर्ड्स अपसाइड। नेक्स्ट 10-15 मिनट्स का प्राइस बिहेवियर किस हिसाब से हो रहा है को समझेंगे, बिकॉज that will be very crucial for the Adani stock for an continuation of the upside momentum. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं हम आईसीआईसीआई बैंक में देखेंगे पूरा नैरो पैस है, बिल्कुल भी निफ्टी को और बैंक निफ्टी को सपोर्ट करने की सीन में नहीं है। ओवरलैपिंग की कंटिन्यूएशन हो रहा है फॉर द लास्ट 45 मिनट्स ऑफ प्राइस। Okay, one question is from Ishwar says Coforge. On Coforge. Coforge से simple funda wide range candle है, look at this wide range candle always disturb the intraday moves, so better staying away from an approach. But in terms of any staying away on the bullish side will be a better approach. In terms of the bearishness plan, process becomes very simple. I'll be waiting for few minutes, probably one or two candle key sellers who are trying to come in. This current developing candle and the next candle, I'll wait for the two candles and then I'll be reacting here. I will tell you why. Because already on this force prices after the first aggression, the candle prices after that almost all the candles are trading below VWAP. Only thing here is this buyers. जो भी buyers आने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कौन से buyers, this buyers who are trying to come in, how they are reacting उसको मुझे चेक करना है, इसीलिए I will be looking closely for this follow up 10 minutes of price action, and then I'll be deciding whether we can take any short side trade on 4-4. Definitely no long side trade, any possible of the short side trade. Adani again slowly trying to move up. In this sellers how they are reacting need to be checked. Next 10 minutes we'll be checking it, 5 to 10 minutes minimum, to understand is there any chance of a follow up move or a follow through move. Then it's better to react on the trade. No point in looking at candle color and being aggressive at this current stage of price behavior. Okay, good stock Ishwar sir, you have chosen Coforge, will be having in the radar. Okay, because if the sellers are not much aggressively trying to come the price down, again price going back to VWAP and rotating means waste. No point for an option buyer, nothing much it will be benefiting us as in the perspective of option buyer or in the perspective of a directional trader. Please will understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, those traders are still not clicked on the subscribe button, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to those who have not clicked on the like button, make sure to support the live stream by just clicking on the like button of this live stream. No market has slow price behavior. Stay calm and understand. Okay, so far three stocks my radar: Coforge, Tech Mahindra, and Adani. Let's see what happens. Banknifty slowly move up. With higher level sellers are there on Nifty, which we need to remember. We can't take it light. The higher level centers are there which need to be given importance. They are not just coming in for any kind of pass, because from this the price has aggressively dipped down with this consolidation. Prices in this consolidation. We Let's have a quick look on the Bajaj Auto, which we are morning price here on Bajaj Auto. थोड़ा सा something is यहाँ पे higher level sellers are there. We need to consider that also. इस हिसाब से wait for few and our trade Bajaj Auto, because कहीं ना कहीं almost all the candles are just touching the week up. Aggression in terms of aggression, we are not seeing aggression here. When Bank Nifty is becoming very slow price, Nifty kind of a slow price behavior चल रहा है Nifty में. That means a narrow range candle formation, just a one round of trap move on the downside will obviously trigger the stop losses of the retail crowds, which though we need to also find. What's happening on Adani? Current candle closes will be very important on Adani or on the tech Mahindra. How the candles are closing will give us a more broader picture of the market. Is there any possibility of the aggressive further up move to continue on, especially Adani stocks? Why I'm focusing on Adani, it's trading around above 55 very clearly. तो उसके हिसाब से I'm just giving more focus on the Adani prices, with adding 3400 का call option in my watch list on Adani Enterprise. Closely look how the candles are closed. That will give us a more broader picture of the market and of the price behavior. Look at Bajaj Auto again trying to come back to Visa. I think there is a struggle which is disturbing the price behavior. Adani closes. So Nifty it's getting narrow range formations at higher levels. Sellers are there. So any one round of down move will trap all the late bullish traders who are taking or jumping and executing trades on Nifty. If you see Nifty ka price auction after the one candle and here one candle overlapping, slowly moving up, again overlapping without any clear sign of aggression. Okay, Adani will have a close look at this. How the candles are closing, is the bulls are clearly coming in again to push the price up, or they are struggling. 2 minutes will come to know. So far, I'm adding 3400 ka call option of Adani Enterprise in my watch list. Okay. O force, there is a feel on pressure trying to struggle here on the force. Again, how the candles are closing, Tech Mahindra, everywhere the candle close at the current stage becoming very, very important. Let's see. Based on the candle close, everything will be more decided. Fourth again one more one more rejection. The VWAP, one more rejection from the VWAP. Adani has become flat again. The Banknifty is more into overlapping stakes कहीं ना कहीं position नहीं रहा है. Whereas Axis Bank again back below VWAP. Okay, that is closing on the Adani Enterprises. 3,400 का call option looking bullish for me above 188 rupees 50 paise. Okay, Adani Enterprises 3,400 का call options looking bullish for me above 188 rupees 50 paise. Let's see whether the price is crossing the Adani Enterprises. Coforge, there's a clear struggle. Coforge, from here, it's a good starting opportunity on the Coforge below 3484 levels. Okay, below 3484 levels, if Coforge is trying to go down, it's a good starting opportunity on the Coforge stock. Okay, the spot price of Coforge going below 3484, that becomes a good shorting opportunity, or buying the put option opportunity can come into the picture. First, need to check whether is there any option price movement is fine. There are slippages on the option of the coach. There are slippages on the portfolio option. Adani trying to come down. We're waiting only above 188.50 on the 3,400 call option. But before that, we back coming back to Viva. Our orders not got exit, not much of problem. Stocks are slowly dragging down, which is feeling the pressure on the Nifty. See what happens. Stocks are slightly feeling the call pressure. Okay, on Bank Nifty, what's your view on Bank Nifty current levels? Very important, sir. This is what this low. Until this low has been survived on Bank Nifty, it's fine enough to stay bullish. If this low is breaching, that is 39,880 levels is breaching, then there is a pressure on the Bank Nifty, obviously. Okay. Then it's bullish and defend till about 39,880. Below that, there might be a bit of pressure for the bulls on the bank. The IT bank is to come back towards downside. AC bank is approaching the gap. Be back down. Bajaj Auto. Now Bajaj Auto, how the Bajaj Auto is reacting. Because multiple attempts from the buyers obviously failed. Prices crossing this zone and closing below it, that will open up an opportunity for a trade. Keep feeling the heat, back slow on the downside. See how the Bajaj Auto are reacting. Because Bank Nifty and Nifty, as I am repeating again, higher levels, there is an selling pressure, which obviously the zones are there. Okay. Adani Enterprises feeling the heat. Adani Enterprises, as of now, will remove the orders on Adani Enterprises because price is coming back to VWAP. Not much interesting price behavior. CC Bank below VWAP. Nifty and Nifty there from this current level, a small stop loss hunting down move will easily trigger all the late buyers. Late bulls will feel the pressure here on the Bank Nifty special. Yes, Lakshmi answer until price will up below going below here 39,880 levels. That is what buyers now will pressure. Late buyers, late bulls will be slightly under. Okay, Prasanna says one good question is why Bajaj Auto was not bought at the closing above green candle above VWAP. So just because price is closing above VWAP means there is no point, no logic in going jumping and taking aggressive bullish trade, Prasanna sir. Okay, I will tell you why morning aggressively price trying to move down, prices below previous days low, clearly trading below VWAP. Just because one any is there any clue showing any bullishness? No. Right, just because one candle is closing above VWAP, we should not be aggressively forcing ourselves to plan any kind of bullish trades. Okay, just check the broader clues. Is it favoring any kind of bullishness on Bajaj Auto? If you ask me, obviously no, sir. Okay, obviously no. Feeling the heat, the traders are feeling the heat. Late buyers, late bullish traders are feeling the pressure now, which are speaking the trapping is more in this market. There is the momentum, the real move very less in the market, more trapping activity. But this day in which price dragging down aggressively. Okay, from this point to till this point, it has taken almost 20-25 minutes to move up. Just 2-3 minutes to reverse back the price. That is what called as the real stop loss hunting scenario. को बोलते हैं लेट ट्रेडर्स को इजीली ट्रैप आउट करना. Okay, what obviously happening on the bank. कहीं ना कहीं स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक अप्रोच अग्रेसिव नहीं है बैंक निफ्टी to trap retail traders more price below VWAP. More and more retailers will be getting easily trapped. And you see this narrow range candle formation here. This narrow range candle formation is warning sign if you are holding any bullish position. More narrow range candle matlab more retail crowds are participating. Always a sign of danger. Warning signal. Now very important on Bank Nifty from the current levels, how the prices are reacting. Very important, Jitesh, sir. That is what I want to say. Those here. Here, if the price is aggressively reversing back up, then the aggressive up move will continue. Obviously, will continue. That's very important. This current candle how it's reacting. Planning any put option, Jitesh, sir. Remember, price is above Viva. Okay. I have a straightforward rule. If price is above and near to Viva, it's not only above Viva. If price was somewhere here very far away from VWAP, no problem. Price is near to the VWAP. Price is near and above VWAP. Planning any put option is worst approach I will be telling you, because problem is price more above VWAP. That's with close near to the VWAP. So far, this candle is just a trapping candle, stop loss hunting candle. If the bulls, this buyers and this buyers are really stronger, they will reverse back the price in the same speed. They are not doing it, then obviously price will tag the VWAP, which is just 30 points away from the current level. Slowly, Axis Bank banking stocks on the one side feeling the pressure, more into a stage of trap. Believe me, you will be traders who are from the start of the session will remember one statement I have told. This is the market, especially index, is more of a in a stage or in more interested to trap, not to give any aggressive move. Very important, this current candle on Bank Nifty, how it is, that will tell us whether the bulls are coming back to the picture or not. Bajaj Auto is slightly better with that Banknifty flattish top. It will be flat. For volumes, DK is high in the option in terms of option buying very clearly. Sunny back below VWAP. And Coforge has very problems of liquidity issues there on Coforge. On option and on spot price point in giving much focus on the Coforge because of now the Bajaj Auto will give an important clear cut sign what's the reality is based on the candle how it is crossing and closing below this trend zone that will give me an clue that said buyers are not coming in, price is more comfortable in pushing down Bajaj Auto. So I will be adding Bajaj Auto 4,000 put options on my watch list of Bajaj Auto. First time from the bulls, there is nothing much aggression which is being seen here from the bulls. 4,000 का put option trading around 100 levels from Bajaj Auto. 1,000 का Bajaj Auto put option trading around 100, right? Let this candle close where it is closing. के हिसाब से will be planning my trades. Lot sizes of Bajaj Auto is 250. देखते हैं what happens. 50 फ्लैटिश ऑप्शन हो रही है बैंक साइलेंट है नॉर्मल स्मॉल स्मॉल कैंडल वापस फॉर्म होने की कोशिश है निफ्टी में बैंक निफ्टी में क्या कुछ हो रहा है सर सुबह से जस्ट रिमूव दिस फर्स्ट कैंडल उसके बाद ये टाइट रेंज पे ओवरलैप करना स्मॉल अप को वापस ओवरलैप करना वापस बैक डाउन रोटेशन हो रहा है ज्यादा इस एक बार थोड़ा सा वापस देंगे ऑन टीसीएस जो इसमें थोड़ा सा this is again trying to come into the track the price on the upside having the radar of yes ICICI Bank happening low issue charge or and Nifty is again trying to come up this time the price is trying to come up volumes are not much compared वॉल्यूम में कोई अग्रेसिव रहा है trying to pump up on the bank nifty. Bulls are not leaving very easily on the bank nifty. Okay, on Bajaj Auto, what should be the criteria? Bajaj Auto, very simple criteria, very simple answer. Okay, price crossing the zone and closing above 4002 levels. Okay, 4002 levels. So that candle low with the buffer, I'll be taking my short side trade and I'll be choosing 4000 ka put option for my trades, bearish trades. Because Bajaj Auto had so much time, so much attempt from the bull, almost is getting failed. One more attempt from the bull. If this attempt fails, all these buyers or the bulls or the call option traders will have multiple layer of stop loss, which can easily wipe out anyone from the system. This is the reason I'm still having the Bajaj Auto with me on my watch list. देखते हैं उस always candle close becomes very important. Okay? Always the stock index whatever, always the candle close plays a very important role. Traders who have not clicked on the like button, support the live stream. Make sure to click on the like button, on the subscribe button if you have not subscribed, and if you can join also the Telegram channel, then the link in that box. Prashana said, for buying Bajaj Auto, what should be the criteria? Definitely no plan for buying on Bajaj Auto at this current stage. The candle is not closing below this 4002 or 3 levels. More trading above the VWAP, then I'll be thinking for any bull trade. But at current stage, there is not much plan for any of foolishness on the Bajaj Auto. Nifty is struggling. Nifty is just doing the overlapping wala seed, just overlapping here sideways with higher level sellers zone are clearly there on the Nifty. And Nifty की सेम सिनेरियो थोड़ा सा रेंज इज वाइडर दैट्स इट ओवरलैप हो रहा है बट थोड़ा सा रेंज वाइडर के अलावा कुछ बट शॉर्ट साइड ट्रेड की कोई प्लान नहीं ऑब्वियसली ऑल्सो टेलिंग इट कि कैंडल देख के नो पॉइंट इन अग्रेसिवली टेकिंग शॉर्ट साइड और शॉर्ट साइड वाला प्लान Once a Bajaj Auto 4,000 put option I've added in the watch list. Let the price cross goes below this. उसके बाद I'll be focusing on the trade. Normally, I don't think this candle will give a close up below it. We have to wait more on the upcoming candle to react. Okay, multiple rejection for Bank Nifty. The higher levels sellers are there on Bank Nifty. Buying zones are there. Lower levels this morning buyers are coming in. But ये जो candle formations are not much comfortable shown on the Bank Nifty. Take any aggressive trades, there is not much comfort, right? Because risk to reward definitely no more overlapping price. Obviously हमको आराम से बैठना is will be better option rather than jumping or taking the sign of aggression trades. See what's happening. Bajaj Auto, yes, let's see. The candle is clearly crossing and so he trying to come back to recap. इसमें कोई aggression रहा है IT stocks का कोई momentum दिख रहा है. Bajaj Auto, especially this candle close with us important clue what need to be done on the Bajaj Auto. Bank Nifty आराम से it's a no आराम से just relax for an option buyer and directional trader. Current stage of Bank Nifty is just a time pass option. No point in over predicting, overthinking, and jumping on towards the trade on the Bank Nifty. Same applies. Nifty is trying to come back to VWAP and also price is approaching the previous day wala high. Now how the price is reacting around this reference level will be very key. Fastly price is coming down, faster the trapping will happen of all those late bullish traders who are trying to pump into the markets. Okay, Bajaj Auto, look at this. It's not ready to close below this level. I don't think candle will also go those. and slowly trying to dip back down. Yes, Nifty is approaching VWAP. So it's an option buyer. There's a time pass option. यहाँ पे option buying करके getting trapped by the premium decay or getting your stop loss anti of waste, right? But Bajaj Auto not closing below the zone, still ठीक करना ही पड़ेगा यहाँ से, भी अर्जेंट नहीं है। बैंक निफ्टी वीवैप के आसपास, निफ्टी वैसे ही वीवैप आ चुका है, आप देख पा रहे हो। कैन यू सी व्हाट्स द लेवल ऑफ टाइम पास इज हैपनिंग, द लेवल ऑफ प्रीमियम डीके which is happening. Everything is not telling any clue कि ये buyers की favor, option buyers की favor वाली price behavior है। That is what I was repeating कि price is, the bank nifty and nifty is more into an stage of just trapping के अलावा और कुछ I'm not looking here. Okay. Take one more attempt from the bulls on the Bajaj Auto. The price down. Patience is clearly being tested, but obviously it's worth waiting on this market where it's more of overlapping, right? If you're doing option buying, directional trading, there is not much aggressive volume also pumping it. So aggressive यहाँ से forcing yourself to take trade is always a danger sign. Definitely nothing benefit you might get, but more into a danger sign. You will understand what I'm trying to be again and obviously the reality of state point in just hiding it. What is there, it is there. Because I am in front of the screen, in front of the live market, I can't hide anything. What is the reality, that is obviously need to be reflected, right? We have to weave up slow option and pura time pass. That's it. Obviously slowly coming back to weave up as the AC bank already below weave up, I stocks overlapping, nifty overlapping, अरे weave up आ रहे हैं, के अलावा हम्म, अब बताया सर ये स्लो वाले मार्केट में want to get trapped easily. I'm not interested much. You will also be not interested in being trapped kind of time pass. Yes, no. No, I was speaking this upmove which was coming in, यहाँ पे volume नहीं था. Volume was not there when the volume नहीं है तो वापस पिकअप आना obvious. Any questions, queries you can ask in the chat box. Yes, but because markets are slow, markets are just in a mode to Why traders into the system, trap them, the scenario is more getting in one more candle. You see, it's still not struggling to इससे पहले अर्जेंट बिल्कुल भी नहीं करते भी अर्जेंट not even any need to be in an urgent, just also adding the volume to show you where the volumes are being dropping down. You see this for the last 30-40 minutes. This is surge of drop in the volumes prices doing a time pass. This queries, yes, obviously. Ask in the chat box. Calculates and no trade वाला market, time pass, overlapping, space, भी बोल सकते हैं ऑप्शन बायर के लिए बिल्कुल भी फेवर प्राइस बिहेवियर not there. Before this slowly dropping down from 3-4 week 4 levels, it was a short side trade, but because of liquidity issue on the options, orders will not get filled. That's the problem doing one more attempt which is being tried by the bulls of the bank Nifty push the price up, but can you see this overlapping formation, small candles? Are we getting any comfort sign? Obviously, are not getting. But here, see the reward कितना मिलता है, how much reward we can get out of the weight we are doing. Just for kind information, live sessions will be Monday to Wednesday only, not Monday to Friday. Monday to Wednesday morning starts by sharp 9:20 a.m. Obvious price behavior, what is happening is, can you see this on the Nifty, the way it's been managed? When banking stocks try to come below and trade below VWAP, TCS IT stocks trading above VWAP. Then now the IT stocks are trying to come below VWAP, the banking stocks are trying to trade above VWAP. That making the broader banking stocks on one direction and IT stocks on other direction, making the Nifty to be staying flat. Making Nifty to more stay on the flat side. And you see the way it's been managed with the help of the various sector, one sector up, another sector down, been aram se being managed without any. How the broader index being managed, controlled in a way to not move much and to obviously make the premium decay and obviously trap those option buyers who are so much aggressive in this kind of market. Okay, can you understand? From morning, the statement was very clear from my end. It's a trapping market more, not an aggressive market. That's what more the trapping is happening with the option decay. Option premium erosion is definitely obviously more on the side of options. Again, Nifty, can you see again trying to come back to VWAP? For any bearish plan, we have previously I also very close to the Nifty, which need to have a note on it. Very close to here. Previous days I is there. Any bearishness, let the price come below and trade below it. Then we can plan a bearish trade. Why? Because how this morning buyers are reacting, that will be very important. Just because candle closing below this, going and aggressively taking short is not advisable, because I will tell you, below this there will be multiple layer of stop loss which is being placed by this late bulls. That stop loss hunting is the first price behavior which will take place. उसके बाद ही जो कुछ भी मूवमेंट होना उसके बाद होगा, राइट. Obviously volumes are definitely low volumes. Volume low है तो obvious on the, now also on the both the index, not only Bank Nifty, not only Nifty index, Panda and process are in the Bank Nifty. Come back, TCS stocks are slow dragging down. Even after this live stream completes, all further live market updates, if I'm getting taking any trades, I'll be sharing on the Telegram channel. Link is available in the chat box, also in the pinned message on the chat box, and also in the description. Not join, you can join there also. One question is, what is the reason for not exiting Bank Nifty when there was rejection? I was told about the exit on Bank Nifty. I've already told about the exit about Bank Nifty, right? Because these narrow ranges are more developing. Narrow ranges are more. This itself is a direct clue that the price is struggling with higher level sellers zones are there. go calm market, sir. It's a silent. Still look at this Bajaj Auto still it's not crossing the zone, not crossing their tick par hai because the morning sellers multiple attempt for buyers failed, price came down, multiple attempt in failing, price come down. देखते हैं क्या कुछ होता है तो buyers sellers are failing to close clearly below this, and if there is any aggressive up move then it's a up move, stop loss hunting up move will obviously come into one more case which is possible. And Nifty वही के वही गड़ा है. Now clear evidence in front of you why I was not much aggressive on the bank Nifty for trade execution. I believe everyone are part of the Telegram channel because after this live stream, because more of sideways after this live stream, all further market updates will be shared on the Telegram. Okay, because obviously, can you see what's happening on Bank Nifty? Price coming back to VWAP. Price coming, yes, coming back again to VWAP. Yes, time pass. Okay. What we'll do now, we will end this live stream. Okay, we'll be back by tomorrow 9:20 a.m. sharp in this YouTube live. And also any further live market updates. If I'm taking getting any opportunity, I'll be sharing on the Telegram channel. Stay connected with us on the Telegram channel. Okay, for the rest of this day for the live market. Okay, so by here I will end this session. We'll meet you all tomorrow by sharp by 9:20 a.m. Thank you so much. I will end this session right now. Obviously, first day of the week, first start of the day, no problem. Market be itna volatile was not there ki we can jump and take any aggressive trade. Market were more narrow, not much favorable for an option buyer's perspective. More of time pass, overlapping on stocks, on index after the first 10 minutes of aggression, even first 10 minutes of aggression. Okay, उसके बाद there was no much volatility or volume driven price move was seen on the index, also on the stocks. Okay. So we'll meet you all in the next live session tomorrow morning sharp by 9:20. Thank you so much. You would have learned how when not to trade, how not to get trapped, how to wait for a trade session. Let's see any trade comes update on the. We'll meet you all in the tomorrow's live stream sharp by 9. Thank you so much. By here I will end this session right. Okay, thank you.